Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mazda BT-50 XT Extra Cab, stock reference number 5097. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Aftermarket tip-top equipment tray with ladder racks. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom and module. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has 1 small dent, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.